Hey guys, how are you today? I'm back with another video where I try on prom dresses. This time it's from Wish. If you didn't see my last video, it was trying on eBay prom dresses. I will have that listed down below. Make sure to check that out if you haven't seen it already because it was hilarious. As you guys suggested, I bought some dresses from Wish. I made sure that they were all around the $20 mark. I'm just gonna jump right in and start trying them on, I guess. So, the first one we have is from Mr. Wang. So we've got a nice white lacy number. Oh yeah, cute. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so it is this lacy number with like a fishtail bottom off the sleeve. Yeah. Okay, so let me just put these sleeves on. Okay, so this is in an XL. Now I do want to make note that there's no zips. It's just kind of slip it on. So I have black underwear on. Don't mind that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. To be honest, like this is actually really cute, and this is definitely something that you could work for like your engagement party or like, I don't know about wedding, but I think you could definitely get away with your prom. It's just like these bits you might want to do something to try and stick them up because they kind of like don't stick up. You know what, like I would probably, compared to my last dresses, I would probably give this one maybe, like considering the price and everything, maybe like an 8, 9. Like I feel like it's actually quite nice, and obviously with the right underwear, like I like the shape of it. The slip underneath, it's not, like it doesn't quite look even. I feel like that's not quite even. That's the only thing, like I can see that that's not even, the slip underneath. I really like the shape and the style of it. I think it's really cute. And for $20, yeah, this is cute. Fuda Factory. Okay. Oh. Oh. I have a feeling this is not at all what it looked like online. I'm gonna have to look at my Wish app because I actually purchased them from the Wish app. Oh, is that this? Oh my god, this does not look anything. This does not look anything like. If this is meant to be it. Oh no, honey. No, no, no. This has got a zip at least. All right, let's put this on. Oh my god, this dress, this is so hideous. Oh my god. This looks literally nothing like the picture. I've got a strapless bra on, obviously. Like my boob, like I have a big bust, right? My boobs, probably, my bra finishes here. So, like this is so unflattering. What the fuck? I feel like the only thing going for it is the color. The color's kind of gorge. Like this is nothing like the photo. I'm sorry, but like, considering it's meant to be the photo, this gets like a 2, seriously. Like it's just no good. Like I mean, I guess you could wear it if you had smaller boobs. Anyway. Oh, this one's also from Mr. Wang. Also an XL size. Oh, what's this? Okay.
It's a nice dress.
You think?
Yeah. When are you going to wear that? The next wedding we go to?
Yeah. No, I'm definitely not going to.
Cinderella's ball.
So this dress is a halter neck. I don't know if my boobs are going to fit in this. And then the bottom is just like a silky, shiny fabric. Like, I mean, it's just like this. It's so weird because it's just like, it's quite tight around here, but it's like so loose up here, and I have a big bust. So if people like didn't have anything to like hold this up, you would have nothing to hold it up. And then this is just like, I don't exactly know how I feel about this dress. I think if you were to steam it, it wouldn't be too bad. I feel like my boobs are just gonna pop out of the side. Yeah, I don't know, maybe like a 6. It's definitely the longer I wear it, the more I warm to it. So maybe like a 7. It's okay, it's not too bad. Okay, who's this one from? Oh, this one's also from Mr. Wang. This gold number. What? I think they've literally sent me the wrong dress. I think they've literally sent me the wrong dress. Oh my god, it's this. Oh! Oh hell no. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to try this on. Oh my god. Oh. Is that a spider in it? Okay, well, it wasn't a spider. Oh my god, it was just a bit of fluff. Oh my god. This is going everywhere on my floor, by the way. So that's, oh my god, I don't even want to try this on. Like, this is just honestly awful. Like, this is way better than this. Oh. 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 Oh my god, guys. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm just like, how can you market this as what was on? No. Like, no. I don't even know what to say. Like, Coco, what do you think? What do you think, girl? You like it? You've just woken up, haven't you? I just don't know how, like, it's... Look at my hands. I've got one more. Is it from Mr. Wang? Please be good. This is a big ass dress. Oh, this looks good. Oh my god, this looks gorge. Okay, let me put this on. Alright, so this is kind of like a bit of an issue. Like, this thing is very, very short. And there is no room for titties. Just saying, you will need like, I don't know, like a stick-on bra or something, because that needs to come down a little bit further. There's kind of like no shape. Like, if you were to look at me from the side, you would not know the shape of my body. This is probably not something that I can actually even wear. I don't think I could wear all of them but the first. Like, the first one, the white one, is the only one I could wear. Because this is just like, I don't know what is going on. Like, it's just, I'd maybe wear this to a dress up or something, but even then, like, and that thing, well, that needs to go in the bin. I feel like the Wish dresses were just, I don't know, I don't even know how this video is gonna go, because these dresses were honestly not, they were really bad. I wish that there was like a good one. Like, if this just came down a little bit further, like, and it had a seam like there. Okay, well, that is the end of my video of trying on Wish prom dresses. Let me know if you'd like to see any types of these videos and which store you would like down below. More Wish casual clothes, more prom dresses, wedding dresses, bridesmaids dresses. I don't know. I'm happy to try these things and let you know how they go. It'd be really awesome if the dresses actually worked out, but so far, like, none of them have been that amazing that I've actually worn them. Yeah. Alright, anyway, I hope... Oh my god, that just stuck that. This thing is just like sticking to everything. Anyway, I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.